Greeks are returning to the polls for the second time in 2 months, while worldwide there's concern that this vote may determine the fate of the euro currency. Polls show the radical left Syriza party is neck to neck with the pro-bailout New Democracy Party. Alex Tsipras of the leftist Syriza told supporters here in Athens it was time to rip up the harsh debt deal that saved Greece from bankruptcy. But the EU and IMF are demanding more cuts and reforms in return for further loans. Tsipras is gambling that it will cost too much to kick Greece out of the euro currency, that the risk of a domino effect forcing other countries to abandon the euro is too high. And while over 70% of Greeks say they want to remain in the currency, there is a unanimous cry that after 5 straight years of recession, with unemployment over 22% and the stock market down 60% this past year, something has to give. Clearly, no matter what happens on Sunday, the short-term future for Greece is looking bleak. In Athens, Courtney Walsh, Channel News Asia.